Hello everyone, here you can check out the product where you can store your kids products over there in this wardrobe. For example, you can store toys, clothes, baby products, and there is a multi-shelf storage compartment over there wardrobe. Here is a complete review of this model of this product. Please check it out and review this model. I will open the zip over here. Okay, and here you can check how many shelves we have in this wardrobe, where you are getting the review of this model. Here you can store your clothes, books for kids, clothes, toys, each and everything, crockery, whatever you want to store over there. In this place you can store it over here. And here we have 4 colors: sea green, orange, blue and red. Okay, and if you want to fold this product, and if you want to pack this product, this one is a foldable product. Here is the product. In this box you will receive the parcel, and this much you can compact the parcel over here like this. Side review. Printed cloth over right side, upper side, front and left side. Simple cloth over here, because this one this one will be put by the wall. That's why it can be simple. Okay, and you can put storage multi things: pamper, doodh, milk, powder milk, or anything you want to. It's heavy loaded, not breakable. If you put something heavy weight, it can be wearable. Okay, it's not a big deal, it's not a big issue. Quality was premium quality. The plastic quality was too good, not breakable. And here you can check I am checking as well. So inshallah you will like this product. Thank you so much for supporting us, BTL Toys. Thank you so much for review our product from BTL Toys. Thank you.